lot of people are probably wondering whether or not I lost my mind, and the answer is yes. I guess I kind of decided to have a weird Katy Perry alien week, I guess. Will you join me? I told you guys that I wanted to do all the looks from the video, and I wasn't lying. I really meant it. This actually is my favorite look. These two were the hardest parts, like trying to get these little things even. Or you can just wear it without that. But anyway, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get this look. Okay, my face is already primed, and I'm going to create the rectangle around my eyes. Now I'm using some regular Scotch tape. I'm using this so the lines will be a little bit more even and straight than if I were to be just using my hands, and I'm putting it around my nose and right above my eyebrows. If my calculations are correct, it's about 1.5 inches tall. Now what you're witnessing is me filling in the box completely with a red-orange paint. Get it all over, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape once I'm finished. And you'll see that there's little spots on my face that the tape did not protect, which is okay. You can just go ahead with your finger or with a little brush to even that out a little bit. And if you look at Katy's picture, she has a little bitty hump right there on the top center of the rectangle. So I'm just going to draw that and then fill it in with the same color paint just to make sure it's even. Clean it up and then hit it with some powder. Now next I'm going to focus on my eyeliner. It's not just standard eyeliner if you look in the picture. You know, it's kind of like the old-fashioned, you know, Cleopatra, Galena style eyeliner. And it's really easy to do. It just takes one color. I used a coal black liner, and basically all I'm doing is applying liberally all the way around my eye, and then once I get to the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and extend it. It does not need to come to a perfect precise point, so don't worry about it if yours isn't. I'm going to do the other eye, and then afterwards I'm actually going to go over it with some black shadow to make sure that it doesn't smudge all over the place, because black liner loves to smudge. And then after that I'm going to hit it with some liquid liner to make sure that it's extreme black. And then after that I'm going to use some really thick black mascara. And the next step will be to decorate with some gems. I actually got these gems that I'm going to show you in a second. Boom, there they are, at Michael's. And they weren't very expensive. I recommend getting two because I don't think one will be enough if you get the ones that I got. I couldn't find the ones that were as large as the gems in the picture that Katy had, but I got the ones that I thought matched the best. Flat back gems, apply them starting from the hump all the way down the bridge of your nose in this upside down triangular shape. And I'm using tweezers and eyelash glue actually to apply this. I feel like it's the best way. Eyelash glue is safe. It won't rip your face off during removal. And on the left bottom corner of the rectangle, you are going to apply some more gems in an L shape, actually going towards your eye. And basically, you just want to create the L and then stick a little gem in the center, well, in the corner of the L. And on both sides, when the cameras were off, though, I actually took another gem and made it a little bit, there it is, a little bit taller. Now for the fun part. If you look at the picture, she has this really interesting blue geometric outline looking pattern drawn on the side of her face. And it's blue, but I'm using a white liner pencil just to go ahead and get the shape down first. This way, if I mess up, I don't have to smear blue all over the place while I'm removing it. And then after I get those down, I'm going to go ahead and line it with the blue color. This took forever. And I can't really explain the shape. I wish I could tell you what the shape is, but I don't know what it is. I will call it the alien mathematical geometry face shape. And I made sure that I got it as even as possible on both sides. And I'm just looking at the picture and copying the alien mathematical geometry face shape is what I'm copying. Like so. It did take me a couple of tries, by the way, to get both sides completely even, so don't feel bad if you don't get it on the first try. Okay, finishing up my chin, and don't worry about the white lines. You can remove them if you want to, or you can just leave them. They might just go ahead and fade away. I actually removed them though. I'm taking this little brush right here to go ahead and clean up all the edges of the lines and get rid of some of the white. And then this is how it looks when you are done. Bye-bye.